model, which I'll talk about in a second, is that it is really, really hard to stand up in the face of destruction when you don't know what you're standing on. And so the way the model works is that resilience is a function of our mindset and our choices. Our mindset is a function of our authenticity and our attitude. Our choices are a function of our purpose and our definition of success. And underlying that whole block is your core beliefs. Now, we might change the language a bit, but the same holds true for organizations. Your personal core beliefs might be your faith or what you believe about the universe or the world or God or whatever. In an organization, the core beliefs are nothing more than your core values or your purpose or your cause. Your definition of success personally might be a real solid statement, which we hope we'll teach you to make, around who you're being when you're at your absolute best. In an organization, that might be achieving your strategy or really being who you want to be and make that contribution in the world.